Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP English Language and Composition exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the multiple choice section and the 3 free response questions. Next, focus on mastering rhetorical analysis, understanding key terms like ethos, pathos, and logos. Finally, dedicate significant time to practicing timed essays under exam conditions to improve your writing speed and clarity. For the multiple choice section, practice analyzing complex prose passages to identify rhetorical strategies and authorial intent. Work on systematically eliminating incorrect answer choices. Often, too, can be easily discarded. Pay close attention to the nuances of language and how specific words contribute to the overall meaning. Aim for accuracy and efficiency to save time for the essays. The free response section requires 3 distinct essays: synthesis, rhetorical analysis, and argument. For each, develop a clear, defensible thesis statement that directly addresses the prompt. Support your claims with specific, relevant textual evidence and thorough explanation. Practice writing each type of essay regularly, focusing on structure, coherence, and sophisticated language. Time management is crucial here. To maximize your preparation, establish a consistent study schedule several months before the exam. Use official College Board practice exams and released free response questions to simulate the real test environment. Actively seek feedback on your essays from teachers or peers to identify areas for improvement. Remember, consistent practice and targeted review are key to success on this challenging exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.